Hi, this is Abhishek Muthen. I'm an indie builder. I have to get up from my chair at regular intervals for health reasons, but I rarely remember to do that when I'm immersed with work. I saw that others face the same problem. So about a year back, I created But Pomodoro, a but trigger Pomodoro timer which reminds me to get up from my chair every 25 minutes without any action from me.
But Pomodoro. Move your ass. But Pomodoro. Bring your ass back.
I published the procedure to make one and made the software open source. But since the setup was a bit crude, not everyone could take advantage of But Pomodoro. I am planning to change that now with a complete rewrite of But Pomodoro software with pixel art type user interface which requires very little setup from the user. The hardware would still be DIY as it is very simple to set up yourself or to find someone who can do it. I am running this campaign to validate that there are others like me who like to use Butmovo for a healthier lifestyle. I hope to receive your support to help make that happen. Thank you.